Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future modeling tutorials. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to model the shape you see on your screen. So sit back, relax and follow along without wasting much time. Let's jump right into it. Click on the sketch button and click on the top plane to begin your sketch. Click on the circle tool and draw two concentric circles using the center point of the plane as a reference. Assign the smaller circle a diameter of 50 mm and the larger a diameter of 83 mm. Next, click on the circle tool and click on the construction line to make the circle a construction circle. Draw another circle using the same reference center point and give it a diameter of 73 mm. Using the same center point, draw another construction line and give it a diameter of 93 mm. Now click on the line tool and make it a construction line. Construct a horizontal line from the center point towards the west direction and the diagonal line from the center point towards the west-south direction. Assign an angle of 60 degrees between the construction lines. Construct a construction circle and assign it a diameter of 103 mm from the same center. Click on the 3-point arc tool and construct a semicircle using the intersection of the diagonal line and the 83 mm circle as a center point. Repeat the process, but using the intersection between the horizontal construction line and the 83 mm circle as center point. Construct two vertical construction lines on both sides of the vertical construction line. They should be parallel to the center line. Each vertical line should be 15 mm away from the center line. Click on the trim tool and erase the portion of the vertical construction lines that are just below the 83mm circle. Next, draw a horizontal line to cut across the vertical lines. This line should be perpendicular to the vertical lines. And assign a distance of 43.7mm between the horizontal line and the bottom of one vertical line. Click on the 3-point arc tool and draw a semicircle between the vertical construction lines using the vertical line as the reference point. Construct 2 additional vertical lines on both sides of the center line and give each a distance of 5mm. Draw an arc to touch the top section of the inner vertical construction lines using the center vertical line as a reference. Next, draw a horizontal construction line to touch the bottom of the vertical lines and draw an arc to touch the bottom section of the inner construction lines, just below the 83mm circle. Draw an arc to touch the 103mm circle and the 83mm circle using the same center as the semicircle we initially constructed. Repeat it for the diagonal line too. Now, trim off all the excess construction lines. convert construction paths back into firm lines by clicking on the corresponding line and deselecting construction tool. Congratulations if you've made it to this point. Click on the extrude tool and click on the sketch to add some thickness. Apply a height of your preference. Next, click on the Assembly tab and import the model. And there you have it. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Also comment any challenges you have and I'll be glad to help.